Next question. In the given video will be played. Adjustment कौन सा है बताना है. Trading account. See, closing stock. Two effects. One effect goes to trading account credit side, and other effect goes to balance sheet debit side. So we will record. Tell me what is the adjustment about. Outstanding wages, closing stock, advance commission, or none of the above. Just 25 seconds left. Options are outstanding wages pink color, closing stock blue color, advance commission yellow, none of the above green color. Just 10 seconds left, beta. Be quick to answer. 0 seconds left. Yes, 15 have answered correctly. The adjustment given in the video was of closing stock. Now let us see the scores. Nausheen is highest, followed by Sana, then Ariba. 1516 Ariba. Chalo, next. 2 answers देने हैं आपको. 2 answers select करने होंगे. What are the 2 effects of closing stock adjustment? 2 answers सही है इसमें. Balance sheet asset side pink color, balance sheet liability side blue color, trading account credit side yellow, trading account debit green. 2 option करने हैं आपको. 2 option टिक करने हैं आपको. Pink balance sheet asset, blue balance sheet liability, yellow trading credit, green trading debit. Just 20 seconds left. You are supposed to click on the color that is displayed on your screen. Yes, only 0 seconds left and it's done. Great. 21 have answered correctly. Balance sheet asset side. 15 of you have answered trading account credit side. Now let us see the scores. Nausheen is still leading, 3500. Second is Rabia, 2700, and next is Sana, 2400. Chalo, next question. You don't have to answer, just read carefully, read very attentively. It is about unrecorded sales adjustment. Unrecorded sale is a transaction of goods sold but not recorded in the books of accounts. Since it has not been recorded, we will record now. The journal entry for sale is debtors account debit to sales account. I am rereading. Unrecorded sales is a transaction of goods sold but not recorded in the books of accounts. Since it has not been recorded, we will record now. The journal entry for sale is debtors account debit to sales account. Okay, now the question based on this slide. The question based on this slide is, here is the question. The 2 effects of above adjustment are, one is add debtors and second type your answer. Second, please type the answer. 2 effects. One is add to debtors. What is the second effect? 15 seconds to go. Type fast. Only 5 seconds to go. Over. Yes, now let us see the answer. The correct answer is add to sales. And nobody got the answer right. So the scores are same. Chalo. True or false? Outstanding wages are wages paid in advance. Outstanding wages are wages paid in advance. True or false? answers are correct and mostly students were not able to attempt it. True or false के लिए time बहुत कम allot किया जाता है because you are just given two options and you have to select one option. Anyways, let us see the score. Nausheen again is on the top. Rabia 3,500. Ayan, very good. Ayan is 3,100, third position pe, and Zishan is following 3,000. Outstanding wages are dash. What are outstanding wages? Income due but not received, red color. Income received in advance, blue color. Expenses paid in advance, yellow. Expenses due but not paid. I repeat, income due but not received, pink. Income received in advance, blue. Expenses paid in advance, yellow. Expenses due but not paid. 3 seconds left. Yes, 11 of you have got it correct and 10 have got it wrong. The question was outstanding wages are, what are outstanding wages? Outstanding wages are expenses due but not paid. So we move ahead. Next question. First, let us see the scores. Nausheen is still on the top. Ayan second position पे और Rabia third position पे. Zishan, तो एक आंसर अगर आप सही कर देंगे तो you will be on the third position. Next में you will have to select two answers. What is the credit effect of?
Our next adjustment is outstanding wages. Outstanding wages, two effects. One is added to wages and second goes to liability side, that is the credit effect. So we will add to wages.
What is the credit effect of outstanding adjustment? Credit effect of
एक ही select करना है ना?
एक ही select करना है, एक ही select करना है. Profit and loss debit side, closing stock, balance sheet, liability, and none of the above. Pink में profit and loss debit, blue में closing stock है, yellow में balance sheet liability side है, और green में none of the above. And you have only 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, over. 17 of you have got the answer correct. The correct answer is balance sheet liability side. The credit effect of adjustment outstanding wages is liability side. Yes, we record outstanding wages on the liability side of balance sheet. Very good. Chalo, let us see the scores. Nausheen is still leading. Ayan second position and on third position is Zishan. Yes, Rehan बहुत ही करीब में है. Backup. चलो 10th question. The credit balance of trading account is. The credit balance of trading account is pink color में net loss, blue में gross loss, net profit yellow color and green color is gross profit. What is the credit balance of trading account? Pink color net loss, gross loss, yellow net profit and green color is gross profit. 5 seconds to go. Over. The correct answer is gross profit. The credit balance of trading account is gross profit. The debit balance of trading account is gross loss. Yes. Chalo. Anyways, many of you have got it correct well, but still 8 answers are wrong. Let us see the score. Still Nausheen is leading. Ayan second position and third position is Rehan. Zishan, you have been beaten by Rehan. Anyways, next we still have 2 more questions to go. 11th question. Where do dividend received appear in final account? Dividend received कहाँ पर transfer किया जाता है? Trading account, profit and loss account, appropriation account और balance sheet. Trading account red color, profit and loss blue color, appropriation yellow, balance sheet green. And 3, 2, 1, over. The correct answer is profit and loss account. Credit side पे ये transfer होगा. Dividend received is an income for a business organization. So it will be recorded in profit and loss account on the credit side. Let us see the scores. Yes, the position are same, only the scores have increased. Chalo, next. What are intangible assets? Intangible assets क्या है? First red में debtors, blue में soul, yellow में जो कार खड़ी है वो, और green में है fixed assets that do not exist in physical form. And second step answer. Yes, the correct answer is fixed assets that do not exist in physical form. What are intangible assets? It is fixed assets that do not exist in physical form. You can go, let us see the scoreboard. Let us see who had scored well. Please come back to Zoom. Let us see the score. The third position is Rehan, 6,444 marks. Second is Ayan, 9 answered सही है. और first position पे कौन है? I got Naushi, 11 answers correct out of 12. Very good, Naushi. Whenever the lockdown gets over, you